New Year celebration, what we write in Hindi, now means new, verse means year. Yesterday I explained about the Nava. I explained detail yesterday. Nava means existence of Parbam. Parbam alone exists. You can revise it yesterday. You can listen it. This is called the now. What is the meaning of now? Va means Parbrahma consciousness. Na means confirmation. Yes, Parbrahma exists. But I don't feel it. Do not worry. Practice yoga meditation, you will feel oneness with the Parbrahma. But today I am going to explain what is the meaning of verse. Verse meaning is also the same. If both are having different meaning, then there will be fight of ego. This word is having its own ego. It is having its own ego. Then ego fight is called absence of ahimsa. Ahimsa is immortal, omnipresence. Therefore, this meaning of the verse will be the same as now. Try to find out what is the meaning. Here, how to paint omnipresence consciousness. This is called the circle. It is called beginning and end. Then why the beginning? The here. Why is the end here? No. Tell me beginning where is. Here. End here. I don't believe both are the same. Then no beginning, no end. Or beginning and both are together. Okay, alright. This is called omnipresence. What is its nature? Infinite. Infinite. Alright. Then what is this? This is called Pa. Pa means Pana. Pana means to get. What we want to get? We want to get our own nature. What is our own nature? Parbrahm has become me. Then what I want to get? Parbrahm. Then how to get it? This is the line vertical. This is the upper and this is the lower. One portion you can say omnipresence, formless. This you can say with form. Then we have to experience both. Omnipresence, formless God and God with form. Now why? What is the pronunciation of this? We call it Kha. And also we call it Sha. Both. Kha means infinite. And what is the meaning of Sha? When we write Sha like this we pronounce this, and how we pronounce it, this is called the Sa, which we pronounce like that. When you calling the Sa, at the same time roll tongue back, it will be Sha. Sa, Sha. It means when the breath size the life, or life is reversed, then what you realize? Then we realize Parbrahm, omnipresence. Omnipresence of God has become this visible universe. Therefore, this Kha and Sha is having the same meaning Va. If there are two meaning, it means there is violence, clash of ego. Therefore, meaning of the Sha, meaning of the Va, both are the same. Meaning of this line is the same. The moment as you practice yoga meditation, you will realize the truth hidden within a letter, within a word, within any structure is the same. What is called God. Now come to this. What is this? This is called the half Ra. What is the meaning of Ra? We pronounce this Ra and try to remove vowel from this. This is called the vowel, how we pronounce it. Then we call like this a half Ra. This is the symbol of the half Ra. Above this, it means, Ra means the power. Power which gives perception of hearing, touch, vision, taste, smell. That power is having technical name, Kamagni. And that power comes from formless omnipresence God, which represents this half Ra, which we write like this. It means this is above this. This half Ra means the power of Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, which has become all this power which we feel. With that feeling we realize hearing, touch, vision, taste, smell. It means in the short, this half Ra means Va. Va means Sha. Everything having the same meaning. Each letter, each word, each structure having the same meaning. Until you realize this truth, that each letter which we write, or each sound what we speak, or each creation what we see, is the same. Structural, functional unit is the same. Moment you realize it, then we feel such great joy, the joy which we are seeking. You will get eternal peace and bliss. This is what is the meaning of no words in the brief. Therefore, try to practice sincerely, then you will know it. By remembering this, you cannot get peace. If you write a book and remember this, you can teach, you cannot get peace. You have to practice. Let us practice. चलिए हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं.